Oh, what do we have here on today's body cam? We have an officer who doesn't quite know who he's dealing with.
141, thank you.
Hey, good morning.
It's a nice car.
Oh yeah, well, you know, in 2025, women can drive nice cars, you know.
And this is your car?
You would think.
Yes, officer, it is.
What are you doing in this neighborhood? You live in this neighborhood. And this is your car.
Surprised that I would do this.
Is it because she's black?
Just not adding up.
It's not that.
It is.
What are you adding up?
Are there any firearms, illegal contraband, drugs in this vehicle I need to be made aware of?
That would be a no.
Well, you hesitated.
Because...
You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
She's appalled right now, actually.
I don't
She's like, what the fudge?
know why you would even think that there would be any contraband. So what is it about my nice car or me that would suggest that I have those things?
Well, you're driving very suspiciously. That's why I pulled you over. The speed limit's 35 and you were doing 30. So that makes me question a lot.
Bruh.
Wow. I was like, you got slowed down to brake or maybe make a turn or something? Suspicious?
I think you saw me and got nervous.
Surprise. Really? What would make me nervous?
If you're hiding
Pay attention to what she got on in her car, y'all.
something, obviously. License and registration, please.
Okay, that's what I was waiting on you to ask. Okay. So, it's my license. Probably should have asked that before you assumed that.
Ma'am, I'll ask the questions, okay?
Hello.
And this vehicle's registered to you.
Did I just give you those documents?
You know, you people always want to argue
You people, what the fuck you mean, you people?
and make things way more difficult than they have to be. I just asked you a
Oh,
question.
no.
All you have to do is
Oh,
answer.
nah.
You
You know what, man?
He should not be a cop.
Just stay right here. I'll be back.
City of Sunny Springs? That is so out of whack. He's so out of line for that. So he pulled her over because she was going 5 miles below the speed limit. I didn't think that was a bad thing. He's writing her a ticket. Can we be honest? The neighborhood don't even look that nice.
Ma'am, here's your registration, your license. And there's your citation.
a citation for
That don't even look like a real citation.
what?
I ain't never seen no citation look like
I
that.
just told you.
So you can
Reckless driving, endangering those around you. You're going too slow.
5 miles less than the okay, and I endangered people. Okay, but too slow. Okay, and you know, power doesn't come in a uniform. It really comes from
That's an interesting statement, ma'am. And what I do know is I have not searched this entire vehicle.
What is he doing? Oh, he covered up the body cam?
Hey,
You low down dirty dog.
You have a broken taillight, ma'am. That's another citation.
I got one now. What are you doing?
It's illegal to be driving around with a broken taillight.
Yeah, after you broke it.
I did not break it. I'm trying to keep the
You
streets safe.
actually, are you kidding me?
Oh, he a dirty, dirty dog.
You know what? Intentional damage, intentional property damage is a misdemeanor. You want me to read you the statute?
Why are you dressed like that? Why are you wearing a robe?
Surprise,
Gotcha, bitch.
Judge.
Oh!
Judge, I'm a police officer.
Not you, me.
Woo!
How about that?
You're a judge.
No, I just wearing this robe because I have nothing else to do.
Call her King Baby Jesus.
Well, you don't act like a judge, and you definitely don't look like a judge.
Yeah, what do they look like?
Not you.
Oh,
Wow.
not me? What do they look like? I don't look like a judge? Well, guess what? I am one, and I'm on my way to work now. But you know what? I've sentenced more men with better discipline than you. You'll be standing when I walk in court.
Oh. Damn.
Surprise.
Ma'am, why didn't you just lead with telling me that you were a
You
judge?
better start scraping up them glasses and putting them back together and reconstructing that light.
All you had to do was tell me you were a judge.
I didn't have to tell you nothing. You treat every citizen with respect.
Hello.
I do. I'm just doing my job.
What difference would it make if I was a judge? What difference? You still didn't have the right to break my tail light, and then you give me a citation with that? I'll see you in court.
Yeah, you done fucked up big. This might be your job.
1019. Ma'am, the station's calling me. Just get home safely. We'll just settle this with the warning, okay? You need to get your taillight fixed. It's not safe to be driving like that, and please just drive the speed limit.
Wait a minute. I know I ain't tripping. I bet she did. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. We out.